Lesson 6. Chasm. A deep crack or opening in the earth. When we came back to the chasm, we saw that the only way across was an old rope bridge. Continent. One of the 7 great land areas of the world. These are Africa, Antarctica, Asia, Australia, North America, South America, and Europe. Because Antarctica is very cold, it is the continent with the fewest people. Credit. Number 1. Honor or praise, a way of expressing thanks. After the kitten was rescued, everyone gave the credit to Marcia, who had quickly climbed a tree to get it. Number 2. A way of buying things and paying for them later. The Simpsons bought their car on credit and will make car payments every month for several years. Enable. To make possible, to give the means to bring about. Living for a year in Greece enabled everyone in my family to learn to speak some Greek. Foul. Number 1. Having an unpleasant taste or smell. A foul smell of chemicals came from the jewelry polishing factory. Number 2. Stormy. With strong winds and heavy rain. We biked as fast as we could to reach home before the foul weather hit. In sports, a move or play that is against the rules. When Steffi hit the ball outside the line, the umpire called a foul. Gust. A sudden increase in the strength of the wind. As the hurricane got closer, gusts of wind shook the house. Ordeal. An unpleasant, painful, or difficult experience or test. Lena's visit to the dentist was not the ordeal she had feared it would be. Plateau, a broad, flat area of high ground. After a 1,000-foot climb, the explorers reached the plateau. Rig. Number 1. To make or do something by using whatever is nearby. Sawyer and I wanted a shady place to sit in the backyard, so we rigged up a tent using 2 broom handles and an old blanket. Number 2. To set up sails on a boat. Mom rigged the sails while we loaded the picnic basket, towels, and life jackets on the boat. A machine or construction that is used for a special purpose. Oil rigs pump oil from 1,000 feet deep. Schedule. Number 1. A plan that gives expected times for different things to happen. A flat tire put Krishna a half hour behind schedule on our bike trip across Michigan. Number 2. A list of times when trains, buses, and airplanes arrive and leave. This schedule says that the last bus for Los Angeles leaves at midnight.